the weather outside is frightful. We are going to pick up something rather interesting. Extremely windy today. Not sure how the sound gonna work, but we'll try our best. There's my little boy. All right, son. All done?
Yeah.
You're gonna be filming?
No.
On? Hold it straight. It's gonna do everything itself. Hold it straight, I said.
Right, this is straight.
No, you give it like that. It's gonna do the job. Can you see me in it?
Kind of.
Kind of, we can see it.
Kind of.
Oh, and lift it up then.
Look at my
Look at that road, just fall.
What about it?
The wind is crazy up the hill. And we're gonna go on the top of the hill. We'll get to the garage. As usual, you don't have a seatbelt on, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, put it on.
Pretty sure if I weren't in here, you wouldn't be wearing a seatbelt.
Still not wearing it, as I said before.
You gonna go collect that old BMW?
It's already there. The guy just rang me to ask to open the gate. Don't know how he's gonna drop it. This car is not starting at the moment.
This car?
That car. This car we're driving in. What you asking?
I was like, wait, what? He's asking this car can't start.
Aren't you happy you're not in school today?
Yeah. I ain't going to school anymore.
You're not gonna go to school anymore?
No.
I wonder how that would work. You better learn how to flip the cars then. Because you need to make yourself a living.
Oh.
Just film the road as well. So, do you know what car we're collecting?
Old BMW.
Yeah, you know what old BMW?
It's a 1999 BMW.
No. It's a 1992.
Huh.
So, it's much older than you.
And even older than you.
No, it's not. I wish, son, but it's not. So it's an 1992 BMW 535i. It's an E34 model.
E34.
Yeah, but them very much desired. Everyone wants it. I'm not sure what state that's in. We bought that in the auction. Yeah, lovely surroundings, isn't it?
Yeah.
Welcome to Ireland. I'm kind of excited and a bit afraid. I saw there's a rust on one door, so it seems like one door has to be replaced. But these are notorious for rusting through. And is not starting. Apparently the old owner that auction contacted said that it only has to have fuel pump replaced. Oh, look at that. A lovely bird. Just a fuel pump to be replaced. If that's the case, then we're in the money. Currently these in not a good shape, trading at about £12,000 in UK. And this one so far, including delivery fee, gonna costing me so far about 3,100. So we have a bit of a gap. And there's a similar car, just much the rare one, is for sale in Lithuania at the moment. I'm negotiating that. The one in Lithuania is a super rare one, but we're not going to spoil it just yet in case I'm not going to buy it. And even if I will, that's going to be a completely different video of us flying to Lithuania, checking that car out and so on. But let's stick to this one first. It's a very exciting one. Is this video gonna look like we're farmers driving kind of farm roads?
Yeah.
And the car gonna be so dirty again. I hate this road. I literally hate this road.
Bet you wish you were on a bike right now, huh?
No, not in this road. You see all the branches broken down.
I can ride in those. I can ride a bike on that.
Yeah, but you're a bike monster, which I'm not. Looking at me. Funny. All right. So let's wait here. I don't know who that is.
What are they with?
I don't know. But where he already dropped it off. I like that. And where is he himself? So that's a car, son. All right, son. What you thinking?
Ooh, looks good.
Looks good.
Yeah, except the condition of it is just a bit bad.
Yeah. Seen better times. Let's see the bad bits. So this is a rusty, right?
Oh,
This
one
is
of those old day starters where you just
yeah.
turn the key.
That isn't. Let's see around it. So on that side, the doors has to be replaced. And this one probably as well. And these things. That might be actually alright. Yeah, these doors are goners. It's actually, I like how the closing, they like so solid still. Good, here is not rusty. In here, we have to wait and see. Doors here. Okay. Bunch of stuff in there.
There's a bunch of ropes in there.
It's been pulled, I'd say.
Yeah.
What we want to see, first impression, it's actually not rusted through. That's, I'm actually delighted with that. So the bottom is not that bad.
Oh my god, look at this. This is nearly you need to replace all that. Oh,
No.
hey, at least you got a spare tire.
Spare tire, and that is not rusted through. Yay! That is actually very good. So doors, I don't mind. Ooh, that's lock.
Wow.
Has to be replaced for sure.
Oh, look at all rusted.
Has to be replaced for sure.
Oh my god.
Not bad, but actually not rusted through fully.
Can't you clean it with your barbecue cleaner?
Don't
You
know.
the thing you use to clean your barbecue?
Don't know. We'll see.
That sometimes get rid of the rust.
It's not closing, isn't it? It's not. Okay.
Not
The
good.
boot is not closing.
When you're driving, it might open.
Oh. Why did I do that? Okay, so it's actually not working here. Let's see. Let's see.
You know, one thing that's common in
Look at how
old cars.
it is you put that on.
Oh my god.
Cheap tuning. The interior, right? Let's look at the interior. Here you're actually delighted with. This is something that is not ripped yet.
It even has a window. Has a sky roof.
these has to be fixed. Let's drive his boot. Holy moly. What a bloody open and close that. Okay. Needs a bit of a WD-40, I'd say, son. By the looks of that. Alright, that battery is dying on it. Need to see it's not catching up properly. Okay. So on interior, I'm actually quite happy with interior. Holy moly, but we need to take this one out and see the most important thing. Where the batteries are, they rusting through. They're absolutely rusting through at the battery trace. But this one,
it kind of reminds me of Mighty Car once, where they just pull the thing out and
can you hold the camera?
they see a bunch of hair. By the way,
Okay.
the camera's running out of battery.
I know, yeah. Okay, let's go and see. It has a battery in it, which is probably bloody hell. Okay, so just to summarize it, we're trying to start it up. We'll see. On a good bit, the car boot, although it's not closing, but there's no rust. There's no rust in a car boot at all. You can see it. Not sure whether you can see it or not in there, but there's no rust on the wheel. There's no rust in here anywhere. Oh, you see the problem? There's a problem. That's why it's not starting. That's a fuel pump out. We have to probably just replace it. This might be the one that the guy bought, the guy who had it before us. So we're gonna close. Okay. Also on a good bit, there's no rust here, which is absolutely amazing. Every single one of them has that. Now, not sure the condition of the side skirts. We'll see it later. This door and this door has these nasty things on. Right, and this nasty thing as well, but it's probably not rusted through, although I think we're still gonna replace that. We'll see it. Have to see where the alright, and interior is in a good condition to here, except for door cards. Now, low brake fluid, low coolant level. It's turning, which is a good thing. Let's pop the bonnet open and see what's under the bonnet. What's under the bonnet? I bet you haven't seen that before. It's going up this way. So, what we have here?
Oh, big one. Never seen that before.
Okay. Something is on here. A few fuses. Fuse box is open. So, fuse box was open. We'll see what's around here. Definitely will need to. Don't know what that is off, but this has a part number, so we'll figure out later on. This was there. Other than that, it is as it is. There's one thing we're gonna get rid of is these little yokies. That is a Chinese xenon lamps. Other than that, in here, this one not rusted through. Amazing. These ones are actually in a good enough condition. Happens a lot. It's a break off. Well, something that I bought from the pictures, I actually think is in good enough condition. And what did you say? Did you say it's gonna defeat me, or will I defeat it?
I think it's gonna defeat you.
Oh my god.
You're gonna lose.
My own son does not believe that I can restore this car to the previous glory. Would you believe that? We'll see who's right. You want to make a bet on that, Alex?
Oh
Yeah?
yeah.
What you want to bet?
Oh well.
What about your Christmas present? Gonna go back to your daddy if I'm restoring this car.
No.
What? Sounds like a good
Or if you get defeated, you owe me a Red Bull.
Red Bull. That's all.
Yeah.
All right, fair enough. I thought you were gonna ask for HTC phone, a new one.
No. I
But
take it
now
back.
that you
No, I take it back. I want the HTC.
see, now just push it and it will slide in. Just push it hard. Don't be afraid. It's not gonna. Go on. Hey, fingers, don't put it like that. We're gonna chop that up. You just need to push it. Just yeah, just like that. Go on. You nearly there, son. You had your lunch, didn't you? So you didn't close it. You need to
The hell.
be like that, yeah?
I might as well have just stopped it.
So that's what it is, son. Yeah. Interesting. It's not as much rust. Mechanically, I'm not sure what's wrong with it at the moment, but I'm sure whatever is wrong, we can get through. Okay, let's take that off. And that off. Put it back into the garage.
I think you might as well just replace the battery.
We will have to replace the battery, son. We'll have to. I'm nearly sure the central will close now. No, it's not working.
Yeah,
Maybe there's no central.
I thought so.
Okay. We don't want to find someone sleeping in it while we're away. Electric windows at the back. Where would you get that? For the 1992. Crazy. I'm happy. Son, you know when I'm happy, I'm happy.
Yeah.
These doors are closed. Such a nice sound.
Yeah.
Love that old BMW sound. Quality. And these wheels are actually in a tip-top condition. I thought they in a worse condition when I was looking at the pictures.
Yeah.
This one here seems to have some sort of rusty spots, but I think we're gonna paint it in this color, right? It's like a dark blue that we have on 6 Series, a rare color, rare enough color, should I say? And that's it. I think that's it. Now, next things to do, we need to get diagnostics tools. There's this old type socket in there. We need to source the doors, which in Lithuania are like 20 quid each. So it's not that bad, it's about 20 quid for delivery. We need to talk to the guy who's gonna fix that. Right? And that's it. We're in the business. So to finalize this episode, we're starting something new. My son says it's gonna defeat me. We made a bet on that. I'm very confident and happy that this is actually a good project car that we got. Right, so stay tuned. We'll see where it's gonna lead us. And the plan is to do that in about 3 months, so it's probably gonna take about 2 years, as all the project cars do. But we're gonna bring it to previous glory. Alright, doodle pips.